It's a dead end. What's your call, sir?
I don't know. I don't see any good options here. They're behind us! Wait here, sire.
Wait here with the Emperor. Guard him with your life.
For the
Take them
Emperor!
down!
Die, you scum! Die, you scum!
Long burn the dragon fires! Long burn the dragon fires!
Show me what you've got.
I can go no further.